How to allow tracking on Freecash 2025. If you've completed offers on Freecash but didn't get credited, tracking is usually the issue. Most people miss one small setting, but here's how to fix it in 2025. Freecash relies on tracking to verify offers. Without it, rewards won't register. First, open your browser settings. Make sure cookies are enabled and not blocked for third-party sites. If you're on mobile, use the recommended browser inside the Freecash app or Chrome with tracking enabled. Next, disable ad blockers or privacy extensions temporarily. You won't believe how often these block tracking completely. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Safari, and turn off Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Also disable Limit IP Address Tracking. On Android, ensure Chrome tracking and cookies are enabled. Here's the surprising truth. Using Veins almost always breaks offer tracking. Turn them off before starting any offer. After adjusting settings, restart your browser and access offers directly through Freecash. In 2025, proper tracking setup is essential to earning rewards. Follow these steps and you'll avoid wasted time. Subscribe for more earning app guides that actually work.